Blame game has erupted following the shutdown of U.S. federal government. Neither the Republicans nor the Democrats are willing to take responsibility for the shutdown that is most likely to halt operations in several sectors. The shutdown was triggered as the Republicans refused to include an extension of health benefits set to expire at the end of the year. Well, the Republicans claim that illegal aliens are enjoying the health benefits paid for by hard-working Americans and blame the then Biden government for the situation. On the other hand, Senate Democratic leader Chuck Schumer accused Republicans of trying to bleed Democrats by stonewalling on health care subsidies and other priorities. The shutdown is set to halt the release of the closely watched September employment report, slow air travel, suspend scientific research, withhold pay for American troops, and furlough 750,000 federal workers, costing the government $400 million each day.
What they have done instead is to shut down the government because we won't give billions of dollars to healthcare funding for illegal aliens. That is what has actually happened. The Chuck Schumer AOC wing of the Democratic Party shut down the government because they said to us, we will open the government, but only if you give billions of dollars of funding for healthcare for illegal aliens. That's a ridiculous proposition. If you're an American citizen, you've been to a hospital in the last few years, you probably noticed that wait times are especially large, and very often somebody who's there in the emergency room waiting is an illegal alien, very often a person who can't even speak English. Why do those people get healthcare benefits at hospitals paid for by American citizens? The answer is a decision made by the Biden administration that the Trump administration, working with congressional Republicans, undid. We turned off that money spigot to healthcare funding for illegal aliens. The Democrats, in their legislative text, want to turn it back on. The reason why the American people's government is shut down is because Chuck Schumer is listening to the far-left radicals in his own party because he's terrified of a primary challenge. So I'd invite Chuck Schumer to join the moderate Democrats and 52 Senate Republicans, do the right thing, open up the people's government, and then let's fix healthcare policy for the American people.
Today's October 1st, the first full day of Donald Trump's government shutdown. They make up lies, absolute lies. Not $1 of Medicare, Medicaid, or ACA is allowed to go to undocumented immigrants. Donald Trump and Republicans have barreled us into a shutdown because they refuse to protect Americans' health care.
Today is day one of the Republican shutdown.
Republicans control the House and the Senate, and there's a Republican president. If the government shuts down, it's because Republicans want to shut the government down.
If this shutdown continues, this will be on the Republicans.
You're losing when you're lying, and Republicans are lying. Lie after lie after lie.
We want this government open, and we want Donald Trump and his minions to stop lying to the American public.
Donald Trump and the Republicans.